天的新日程。
NDC, founded in 1998, the leading manufacturer of hot melt adhesive coating machine technology in Asia-Pacific region. NDC, located in Southeast China and the cultural capital of East Asia, starting point of the Maritime Silk Road, Quanzhou City, Fujian Province.
Hello everyone, my name is Carol. I'm the sales manager from NDC company. We are hot melt adhesive coating machine manufacturer in Quanzhou City, China. Today, due to the COVID-19 is spreading around the world, many of our customers are not able to visit our company. So in order to have a comprehensive and deep understanding of NDC, today let me lead you to visit our various departments. Now we are at the gates of our operation center. Let's come and take a look. Here is our reception hall. You can see we have a big Chinese caplet displaying here. The meaning of this caplet is that if you don't accumulate small steps, you cannot reach 1,000 miles. If there is no streams, you cannot see a big river. The deeply meaning of this verse expresses the manager idea and the craftsman spirit of managing the enterprise. We should be more practical and seriously and pay attention to the detail of our machine to make it be excellent and do not chase a goal which is too far away from us. Now you can see we have many customers' logos displaying here. Inside there are many global leading companies like 3M Company, Avery Dennison Company, UPM Company, CIMC, SCA, etc. Until now, we have sold our machines to more than 50 countries and regions. Now let's come in to visit our second floor. Now we are at our second floor. Inside we have 5 department colleagues are working here. Let's come in. Here is our administration department colleagues and our purchasing department. And at left side, you can see our financial departments. And here is our marketing department and our after-sales service department colleagues are working here. And in left side is our CEO's office. Now we are coming to our conference room. You can see here we have many different kinds of materials from different industries of our customers. And in that wall, you can see we have many certificates displaying here, like CE certificate, ISO quality certificates, and UL certificate. In our conference room, we have equipped with the remote conference video functions enable us to communicate with our customers all over the world. Now let's come in to visit the third floor. Our company have got many honor awards from the technology institutions and the governments. Now we are at the third floor. Here is our R&D center. Let's come in. Now we are entering our R&D center. Mr. Wu is our technology manager.
你好，这里是我们的技术研发中心，这边是我们的研发团队。再给客户介绍一下。
We have 6 senior mechanical and electrical engineers are working here. They all have more than 10 years working experience. We also have 15 engineers working here. They must be self-trained by NDC company and have more than 3 years working experience in the workshop before they can enter in this department. Now let's visit our laboratory. Now we are at our laboratory. We have 2 testing centers. Now let's go to the first one. You can see here we have many different kinds of glue spray guns. Our engineers is doing the test here. You can see he is doing the test for the lifetime and the performance for the new design glue guns. After testing, our engineer will write a report, results, and displaying here. Now we are entering our second testing center. You can see here are many different kind of testing machines for different applications. Now let me introduce some device to you. You can see here is a set of spray glue gun which normally applied in filter industry. And here you can see we have 3 different control modes melting machine. Here is a set of small testing machine. You can see our engineer is testing some materials here. This machine will normally test some hygiene industry materials. This is a set of special design coating machine with 2 sets different coating die. One set is spray coating die and another set is roller coating die. This machine will normally test some filter materials and non-woven materials, also applied in medical industry. And this trial machines is a set of slope die coating, and we also able to use UV coating technology in this machine. Well, that's all for here. We will go to visit our main workshop. Before we enter the workshop, you must be accompanied with our sales staff and accept a briefly safety education like wearing the reflect clothing and the helmets and reading the safety notice. After all have done, we can go to the workshop. Now we are along our workshops. Let me introduce the distribution of each workshop. Here is our first mechanical assembly workshop for hot melt coating machine, and at the end is our second mechanical assembly workshop. In this building, we have 5 floors. The first and the second floor are the processing workshop for spare parts, and the third floor is the melter processing assembly workshop. And the first floor is the warehouse. 5th floor is our canteen room. Now let's go to the first floor. Now we are at our processing workshop for the spare parts. NDC has a major processing ability for spare parts, especially at a high-level processing standards. We have an incomparable advantage in machinery industry because we have invested more than $11 million for different kinds of CNC machines, like Japanese brand, Germany and Italy or USA brand machines. Now let's come to see what our workers are doing. See, this is a Morisenki brand machine from Japan. Our worker is measuring a gun millimeters. This is another set of Japanese brand machine. We have many sets of Mazak brand CNC milling machines for different kinds small spare part processing. Like this is one of small spare parts of screw gun base. We processing even for this small part. We processing it with 30 minutes. This is a set of 5X CNC machine for mainly process the tank base. It takes 3.5 hours to finish the one set of this tank base. On this side, you can see we have many Mazak brand CNC machines, also for processing the spare parts. This machine is also from Mazak, from Japan, and we process the slow coating die here. Here is a set of Japanese CNC machine from Index brand. We process with the small gun base here with very highly precision. Also, this machine is from Italy brand Biglia, also for processing the small spare parts of screw gun. Now we are at our gantry milling machining center. The wall panel of coating machine normally be processed at this workshop with very high precision. Now we are at our coating head processing workshop. Our coating head is imported from Sweden brand steel with very high precision. As you can see, we have 11 steps for process one set of coating head. It should take nearly 90 days to finish it. Here is a set of CNC milling machine. This machine is mainly for grinding the coating die with very highly precision. It can process the coating die with nano-sized level. Coating head is our core technology. Here is our quality control department. You can see we have imported many German instruments for measuring the precision of our spare parts. See, our workers are working for measuring some spare parts to see if it can achieve our standards. Now let's go to visit our melter workshop. Now we are at our glue melting machine workshop. Our melter workshop is dust-free and sealed. The environment here is very quiet and comfortable. See, here is our glue hose assembly room. Here is a carving room. It's also sealed to avoid the dust. Here is our CCA room. This room is mainly for assembly high-precision glue gun spare parts. This guy, he has been working here for more than 20 years. Now we entering the glue melting machine workshop. Here is our melter assembly area. You can see here we have many small piston pump machines. This melting machine mainly applied in packaging industry. And there we have many different capacity, bigger melting machine like 18 liters, 20 liters, 50 liters melters. These melters mostly applied in napkin industry, baby diaper material, etc. Here we have many different kind bigger machine like 100 capacity, 200, 500 liters, and even 1000 liters melting machine. Normally, those machines applied in label, tape, medical, non-woven, filter materials, construction materials, etc. It's equipped with the coating machine. Here is a set of our new updated 55-gallon drum unloader machine. It's normally applied at the PUR type adhesive. And here you can see we have two sets, 5-gallon old drum unloader machine. Those two machines was sold to our old customer for more than 5 years. Now they return back to us just for updated. Now we are at our warehouse. 80% of our spare parts can be supplied from here. We adopt ERP management system to ensure the high efficiency and the stability for the production and the after-sales services. Here are different types of glue guns applied for different industries. Now we are at our first mechanical assembly workshop. As you can see, we have one set of new coating machines is under the delivery. In this workshop, we have 7 set new coating machines under the production. Let's go and see. This is a set of 1.2 meters coating machine. It's normally applied for label and the tape industry. The unwinder and the rewinder are turret double-shaft stations with automatically splice function. The speed of this machine can be up to 300 meters per minute. This is a set of small narrow-wave slope coating die machine. It's normally applied in label and the tape industry. The coating weight is 500 millimeters. The machine speed is 150 meters per minute. It's normally applied at label industry materials like craft paper, art paper, thermal paper, PET film, PE, BOPP film, etc. This is a set of spray glue gun application machine. It's normally applied for filter materials. The unwinder type is basic unwinder with hydraulic assist lifting shaft. The speed of this machine can be up to 200 meters per minute. This is a set of 2.6 meters lamination machine. It's normally applied for medical non-woven industry. The turret, unwinder and the rewinder are both with splice function. The speed of this machine can be up to 300 meters per minute. Now we are at our second mechanical assembly workshop. In this workshop, we have 9 sets of coating machines under the production. Like this machine is one set of lamination machine. The width is 2.2 meters. It's applied in filter materials. At left side, you can see we have one set of 1.4 coating machine. This machine is mainly applied for label and the tape industry. And you can see we have another many sets of lamination machine. those machines mainly applied it for medical nonwoven industry. Now let me introduce this machine to you. This is one set of slow die coating machine. The material applied it is mainly for label and the tape. The coating die is non-stick coating die with the rotary bar, and we have equipped with the glue weight detector here. The unwinder and the rewinder type is sharpless. Also, we have made this machine with automatic material feeding devices and add the 6 sets of drilling rollers here. This is a high-end coating machine. The speed can be up to 500 meters per minute. Well, let's all for the workshop. Here is our canteen room. Mostly we use it as canteen, but sometimes we use it as training workers' room, and sometimes we hold big meeting here. Sometimes our workers are relaxed in this place, like they will having a karaoke here or holding an evening party. Tonight, our colleagues have an evening BBQ party here. Here is our international business department. I'm working here. You can see we have lots of international family. Our lots of customers' pictures are displaying here. Now let's come in and visit. Mr. Tony is our director.
Hi, welcome to NDC Anytime.
Our colleagues. Hello. You can see the outside environment is really quiet and comfortable. We have lots of fitness equipment here. Our workers normally doing exercise when they off work. This is our cultural values of enterprise. And here is our president's office. Mr. Bryman is our president. Now we welcome him to say something.
Hi， 感谢对新日城的关注，欢迎在合适的时候到新日城来做客。我们将竭尽所能，为您事业上更上一层楼，贡献一份力量。谢谢。
During this visit, you should have a more comprehensive understanding of our NDC as the leading manufacturer of hot melt adhesive spray coating technology field in Asian Pacific region. We will continue live up the mission to provide you with the high quality machines with excellent services.